Hi friends, how are you? Hope you're enjoying your Sunday. Sunday is still the best day of the week. I love Sundays. In fact, I start getting Sunday vibes right Saturday afternoon, then Saturday evening, Saturday night, Sunday mornings, till Sunday evenings. It's all enjoyable, and but after Sunday nights, I start getting those Monday vibes, Monday blues. Anyways, let's just focus on our Sunday and enjoy what we are doing. I just had a thought to share with you. Actually, I was just discussing it with my friends that this COVID-19 has posed a lot of challenge for everybody. We are facing lots of challenge as a parents. We are facing lots of challenge because now we have to bring up our kids in different ways. Their education pattern has changed. There's a new normal to for all those things, and mind it that if it has affected us, it has affected the kids equally. They are no exception. Don't think that no schooling is what kids are enjoying. No, not at all. They are not enjoying it. You might have felt it that kids are now saying that when the schools will open, they are not enjoying these offline online classes at all. They want to go offline. They want to go to the regular schooling now. It's having a very bad effect on them. In fact, I feel that this no schooling is more dangerous to kids than the virus itself. But what we can do, we have to adapt to this normal. Till we do not know how long, but we have to adapt to this normal. Guys, you know the kids are full time with you now. Full time, in fact. 24 hours a day they are with you and they are observing you. Whatever we do, they are gonna do that. And it's our responsibility that we have to just imbibe good habits on ourselves, and what we want them to do, we have to do that first ourselves. They notice us whatever we are doing and they are copying that. They hardly do that what we want them to do, what we trust them to do, but they definitely do that what we are doing. After copying that, after observing that, we are the first mentors to our kids. We're the first guides to our kids. And now when they are sit-in home kids, everything is going to be at home, whether it's playing, education, whatever it is, watching TV, movies. They are not going outside, so everything is within the premises of the home. Everything, in fact, playing, watching TV, and the worst part is they have to attend the classes in our presence, in our supervision, under our supervision. They're not enjoying this. Initially they enjoyed it thinking that it may just last for a few days, but now they are getting cranky. You might have observed, and I'm sure you are relating to this. Now here, it's our duty as a parent, how we are bringing them. What are the two main habits what I wanted to inculcate in my son during these days? These are the dangerous days for the kids habits, and especially the school going kids. We may talk about lots of habits, but here I just want to focus on two habits. One is the reading books, and second is this screen time, which is totally unavoidable this time, and it's compulsory rather. We every time we want, yeah, our every parents wants the kids to have a habit of reading the books. I don't think that's anything very good parenting or very bad parenting, because every parent wants the kids to have the best of the habits and best of the things. But when we want our kids to have a habit of reading the books, let's just think, do we have that habit? Do we read the books, or do we read the books to them? Do we read with them? Do we read the books with them? Are we going to inculcate that habit in ourselves first? If not, then start from today. If you want your kids to have a habit of reading the books, you should start reading the books first. Let them read the books of their own choice. Don't choose for them. Let them choose their books, what they want to read. Of any genre. Let's not tell them that this is not your genre book. Let them only scroll the pages. But you just sit with them, you read with them, you read our book, let them read their book. Or if they want you to read to them, just do it. Second thing is the screen time. We cannot avoid the 3 hour screen time, which is very compulsory for them since their classes are going online. We cannot avoid that. But after that, kid wants to have more screen time for his games, for his online program or whatever. Then we tell them, oh my son, oh my daughter, this is not good for you, not for health, for eyes. Then they become confused that why are these adults confusing us? First they told us to be continuously in front of the screen for 3 hours. Now when I want 30-40 minutes, they are not giving me. They don't become happy with this. But we cannot stop them. We should give them that space. they are already confused. We should give them that space. Then okay, and for that we have to mend our ways. If we are having more screen time on our phone while on the dining table, we are having phone and in one hand and another hand on the plate, they are definitely going to imbibe this habit from you. And while conversation with our family members, while talking to anybody, even while talking to our kid, if we are listening to him or her, we are having a phone in our hand, we have to show to them that it is equally not good for us, it's equally bad for us, so it is good for you not either. So initially we, it's difficult for us, so we are too dependent on the phone, you know, now that everything, most of the people have to work from home. But let it be, just we have to make them understand, and we do not just scold them for these things, we have to make them understand slowly and slowly. So guys, I believe in these things, that unless we imbibe the habits in ourselves, we cannot do. And the third thing I just want to add here, and give some time to them for playing. Of course, you may not like to play sometimes caravan inside or anything else, but you have to play, you have to take them outside under your supervision, so that they do not feel that it's totally a difficult life. If they have to adapt this norm to the life, we have to make to them adopt. But we should think that we are adapting it their way, the way we have understood it, that how we have to go, we have to make them understand it their way. हमें उनके रास्ते से अलग नहीं होना, उनके साथ चलना है, उनके साथ साथ उनको समझाना है. So the guys, from today onwards, let's start reading the books so that our kids read the books. Let's have the lesser screen time so that our kids have the lesser screen time. And let's have all those habits which we want in our kids to be, let's imbibe those habits into us as well. And apart from these, if you have some suggestions and if you want to discuss some topic related to it or something else, you can just write in the comments. We can just discuss in next video, or we can go live. And if you liked the video, you can comment, share, like, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for further videos. I'll be coming to you every Sunday or Saturday with some new topic. So also do not forget to press the bell icon for the notifications on the new videos. Till then, have a good time. Bye bye. Take care. Nice Sunday.